Welcome viewer, I am Murugan S. This video tutorial describes Windows 11 camera not working fix. First method is click Start, Settings, click Privacy and Security. Click Camera, turn on camera access and also turn on Let apps access your camera. Second method is type Device Manager in Windows search bar, click Device Manager. Click and expand camera, right-click camera, click Uninstall device, click Uninstall, click Action, click Scan for hardware changes. Restart system. Third method is open any browser. Type Dell Camera Driver on browser search bar. I hope this video tutorial helps to you. Please like, share and don't forget to subscribe my channel. Thank you very much. See you next video.